Assalamu alaikum students of class 5 student. In the previous video I have given you the explanation and question answer of chapter 2. Now I am giving you book exercises which you have done in your books. Exercise A, find these words in a dictionary or an encyclopedia. Write a sentence to explain each word. Bedouin is the name for nomad of the Arabian desert. Wadi, a wadi is a dry bed in the Middle Eastern desert. It means valley. The second exercise is write the words below in the appropriate column. Find rocky stem root lizards. In climate, vine will become in the climate column, rocky will become in the land column, vegetation stem and root will come, and in animal column lizard will become in this column. Now the third exercise is complete these sentences. Number 1, trees in alpine forest do not grow very tall because of the cold climate. Roots of coniferous trees helps to keep the soil from being washed away. After this exercises, you have to collect the pictures of the people, animals, plants, oases, work and industries of a desert and make a booklets and paste it in your copies. Thank you.